Down-click to decrease the brightness. Up-click to increase the brightness. Right-click to switch to the next mode. Left long press to decrease the mode speed. Right long press to increase the mode speed. Long press the I key to return to the first mode. Short press on/off. Double press a switch dynamic effect. Long press to adjust brightness. Short press on/off. Long press to adjust brightness. Double press a switch dynamic effect. Short press a pause, resume LED dynamic defects. Long press to adjust speed. Double press scan IC quantity 50 ICs by default. Note: perform this operation while the LED strip is off.